In this video, we'll give you an overview of comments in Planoly's mobile app. Comments allow you to view and respond to your Instagram comments directly in Planoly. To get started, tap here at the bottom of your screen. This is your Activity Center. Now click here. Here is where you can view your comments by post. Please note, the number of posts you can access is dependent on your plan type. Each plan type has a certain number of posts you can access. At a glance, we show you the time, date, caption, and the number of likes and comments for each post. View comments by all, starred, or new. Planoly Pro Tip: you can use your starring feature for many different purposes. For instance, you can star all comments that still need a reply, or any that is a question or suggestion from a follower. Tap on any post. Here are all of your comments. To star a comment, slide a comment to the right and then tap on star. To delete or reply, slide the comment to the right. Tap on the trash can to delete and the arrow to reply. That's a wrap! You now have an overview of comments on Planoly's mobile app. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.